Always. What is yes.
Sir?
Okay.
We are invited by the CM of the state to attend this meeting to have a discussion on the ongoing process of settlement, the boundary dispute between the two states. And we are very happy to see that the state government try to involve all the important stakeholders in the settlement. We've seen that this council will call, the traditional institution will call, headmen will call, NGO will call, and people from different community settled in the border area were also called. So I do feel that this is a step forward, and we do hope that the state government, before finalizing things, should also call again so that we would like to know what other villages will be included in Mekhlia, what other area will not be included. So those are the things that we would like to see, that maybe the government, before finally in the thing, should call the important stakeholder once again. And we would like also to see that the state government should also try to, first of all, give some sort of report or maybe recommendation or maybe discussion in the Legislative Assembly before finally settle the 6 area of difference between the two states. And last but not the least, we know that in this first phase, only the 6 area of difference were included. The others area of difference, which will include North South, Lampi, Block 1, Block 2 and others area would be it is very difficult to be settled. We know that, but we do hope that as long as this first phase is settled, as long as this 6 sector is settled, we would like to see that both the state government should one step ahead in trying to solve the other 6 area of difference also. So this is our thought, and we will like to request also to all the important stakeholders, like the villages authority, the Basno and all, the Barat, the Barhima. Of course, we know that they have been submitted document, maps, historical facts and everything toward the competent authority. But just in case there's 1 or 2 left behind, we would like to request them to kindly cooperate with us, to kindly cooperate with the council and the state government, because at the end of the day, this boundary will be settled if we as a state as a whole is united. So unity at this point of time is very important, and we hope that if government is heading in right direction, we will be able to settle. Having said so, we have also demand from the state government that the state government should ensure that peace and tranquility should remain in this border area. Any sort of encroachment, new encroachment from the part of Assam should be avoided. Any sort of using of force, any sort of threatening to the villager should be avoided. Especially, we have heard several reports in this past coming day that Assam police trying to threat people who have raised hand to be part of Mekhlia, try to arrest people. So this kind of thing, which unnecessarily lead to law and order, will disturb this mutual settlement about the dispute, should be avoided at any cost.
Now that this is the last consultation meeting that we had, but of course for the next phase, the second phase again for another 6, because right now we are concentrating ourselves in the 6 sectors, 6 areas, and then the other 6 areas, I think most probably maybe next year we'll be able to take it up. Once the first 6 sector is resolved, then the second phase will take it up, maybe most likely next year.
Em nak property lah lepas. Tadi kecuali im dan muat. Jika mana kumbang mentah, ketika kajian yang beliau jemput, kajian pan jemput, naki disekamper, naki doloi, naki rambak sinong, Jong itu kisong kebetulan import ke disputed. Tahu kita.
Nitip ba hapo janti hel si kadon ka block 1.
Apo sa Seng. And then Halor kata ke areas of difference ru apo East Janti Hills kadai karata chara. Nakaliang ka district council phiru phinbut ya nuksa jong ka Khasi Hills ban lumbi tagi kot kislan gi ini gi hima gi elaka gi bakher ban yarap ya government ban bill ya kata ka strong case.
Ketika cuy, nanti sisa lekum dangkal meneh haka haji nyete bakar tasira. Haji nyoi jongi kamdan istue. Namar kipuyu untuk kisau sai kuli nakasa mero kamjuan interpret. Henry ladat manda wan patani yupur ban yupur no yupur. Dah hanta pat kafa bakadon ka dingya ki kore ya itu bentar juga snow tasira. Andai ka snow tasira ay kebalam kebabontar dakawa malido. Bila TV nado nang tu itu siya kamdon ka disbi jaga.
Kabidai kat ke blok 1 pas.
Tak keblok pun yang meneh ni kami berada itu. Andai nak kalian jongi nak kata sekali jongi nak idon kidu kumet idon kidu. Bapak kita bisa idon mensuat ke ilaka titip hakui ke ilaka kelabang dok wadu hak apa kejadian jom sekali nak dia andai tak andai itu kirim bawa don ilaka iwan ban apul iwa ban tepal iwa ban ya don seka Meghalaya. Itu kita minta kita dan buat pan dan di dapat nong di man buat pan sana kita beri kepada ada kepala ada kepala kita understanding buat gubernur